What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Henry once again, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a speed out of how I designed Okoli YouTube banner. So for those of you guys that don't know Okoli, she's a Nigerian YouTuber, vlogger. I really like her channel. She's very interesting. She has a very interesting personality. So like I was just let's be the other day, I was like, okay, why don't I just freestyle again? I know create content for you guys to just see my process of designing. I'm still going to be trying as much as possible to release like a more detailed tutorial of how to create your own banner and all those kind of things, and I still have like plans in the future to like release assets for you guys that you guys can use for your own channel and just help you guys build your own YouTube personality, sell yourself to the world and all that. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you give the video a thumbs up and like this video. And again, feel free to share this video, share the design. I'm probably going to be leaving the design link in the description below. So you can just share it on Twitter. You can send it to her or something like that. And, you can tell her it's from me. You can say it's yours. It doesn't matter, just keep sharing good work. So guys, watch to the end of the video. Subscribe.